Nice and early, and he's, oh my god, what's he doing? Trying to make it. So his next two blokes started very even start between them, Force and 21 Force, driven by Adrian Vandersloot. Two blokes, three blokes, still his bullet through about Josh Hanson Smith, suspects. And a look driver, ball drive, up against the Phantom, driven by Simon Gibb, Grey Manor. Even start from those two boats and then quite evenly matched.
Really?
Versus the Sonic 19 Look after my boat, Fish. I need it back this afternoon. It's Andrew Murphy in the co-driver's seat there. Pandemonium driven by Mike Curran. In the 1750 yellow bullet there, more suited to the rough water of offshore power racing, when they come back every year. And they're actually quite quick boats with these 300 X-Bergs on the back once they get them settled down and get the power down. Hawke's Bay, Alright, so we had only eight skis make the start there. So waiting to see Marcy coming through by 12 total wheels. So we've got 6 Thundercats on the wall. Machine, the boat looking an absolute treat coming down this final straight over 120 mile an hour. The boat's absolutely cranking. Ladies and gentlemen, your unofficial race winner coming home. Driving the 19-foot Connolly. Great sounding little boat this one. Jeff Week bringing it home. Matthew Week observing, looking very strong. A little bit with these gusty conditions. This final straight, Cole Harley bringing home little man. That'll be really good time to be on the little man. So maybe this might be your Bot class winner for Well, cool boats coming through, and then I'll come back there sometimes as we see Trader Racing coming through. Trader Racing driven by Greg Dutton, the big lab sport. Getting up on the plane as we saw. These guys are very impressive little rig, the nose hanging up in the air. One of the Storm race boats for the 250. This boat out of Victoria, Australia, the big 21 Force 300R on the back. Boat 150. Worked in very well with the 1750 bullet. Jumped up a couple of spots. Big fist bump for those boys. Red Hot Marine machine. So Red Hot Marine coming through. Simon Gard driving with the big Yamaha 244, followed by Simon Morrison. Grey Matter driven by Simon Gibb. Coming through, driven by Dave Hanks. Sonic 1900, 100 of Trinity Excess on the back. Dave Hanks. 21 foot bullet, 300R. Robbie McGowan. Boat 292, Yamaha Rollers Marine, plenty of trim for the finish line. Dave's Bush Omission and Andrew Murphy bringing home a boat. Nothing ahead of Pandemonium, who they started with, so they've obviously had a good return lead. Pandemonium coming through there, joined by Lee One right in behind them. Followed by Aquaholic, so those two started together, so Daniel getting the jump on Gene. Got the Secret Agent, one of our offshore cats coming through. Unruly One coming through in a 9 minutes 23. Female competitor or driver, sorry, on the river this weekend. This boat all the way from Victoria, Australia. Jen Gretsch against the grain with the Vertico with the 300R on the back. Closely followed by Agent Orange, by Nigel Kennedy, little 1800 bullet there and the 30. So he's caught up 30 seconds on him. Looks like the Assassin's slowing. Old mate's going to have to pump the old primer bulb. They've run out of fuel, ladies and gentlemen. About 100 metres short. As we see the wharf